Hello everyone, the legal highlights of this week are: in the case of S. Dinesh Kumar versus the Inspector of Police, the students had assembled despite being denied permission for the same since a model code of conduct was in force at the relevant time. The Madurai bench of the Madras High Court recently quashed criminal proceedings against the law students who had assembled in front of the law college to celebrate Dr. Ambedkar's birth anniversary. Moving on, the Delhi High Court has issued a slew of directions for the implementation of rehabilitative schemes for juveniles in conflict with the law who are either lodged or have come out of care homes in the city, in the case of court on its own motion versus state. Moving on, the District Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission of South District, New Delhi has directed Sun Pharmaceuticals to compensate a consumer for the mental agony suffered by him after he has misled into believing that he won a 25 gram of gold coin on purchasing a packet of Revital capsule. In the case of Zamiruddin versus Nidhi, in the case of DP Corporation Limited versus WhatsApp LLC and others, the Delhi High Court has directed WhatsApp to either take down or block over 80 groups illegally circulating the e-newspaper of the Dainik Bhaskar Corporation Limited. Moving on, in the case of Google India Private Limited versus Competition Commission of India, the Competition Commission of India told the Karnataka High Court on Wednesday that it will not act against Google in the probe initiated by the competition watchdog against tech giant in relation to its Play Store rules. Moving on, Gujarat High Court held that a Muslim husband has no fundamental right to compel wife to share his consortium with another woman's. Moving on, it is an important ruling. The Gujarat High Court has observed that in a suit filed by the husband for restitution of conjugal rights, a woman cannot be forced to cohabit with her husband even by way of court's decree. Moving on, the Andhra Pradesh High Court has last week refused to set aside an order of conviction in a rape case as it noted that rape is an offense against society and it is not a matter to be left out for the parties to compromise and settle. For the day, Kerala High Court stated that fundamental rights to freedom of speech is not an absolute license to hurt fellow citizens' religious sentiments. Hello everyone.